morning. It is day 3 here at ISTE Live 2022. We've got folks trickling in for the day. I'm excited. It's going to be a great day. LeVar Burton is here with Byju's Connected Campus. We have more presentations with our ambassadors, with our staff, and I'm excited really to meet more educators and talk all things Byju's here at ISTE. Here we go, day 3. We are getting set up here at the booth. And while it's still quiet, I wanted to give a peek at how we've organized ourselves here at Byju's Connected Campus. You can see these clouds and sort of groupings of tables here. We've organized the 5 Byju's brands by our subjects. So we have math, coding, literacy, and creativity. And within each of these subjects, the Byju's brands are sort of organized on these tables. Let's take a closer look. Here's the math table. So you can see we have Osmo, Tinker, GeoGebra, and Byju's learning stations all set up so that folks can take a look and examine each of those brands within our math corner. Next up, we have our coding area. And coding, we have set up Osmo and Tinker workstations for folks to check out the activities. Over here, love the clouds. We're in our little Byju's Connected Campus area. In this corner, we have literacy. Literacy is set up with Osmo, Epic, and Byju's Learning. There's Katie from Epic. Hi, Katie. And finally, in this 4th corner, we have creativity. In creativity, we have our Osmo kits set up with all of our wonderful creativity games for folks to check out here throughout the day. And in the middle, we have our reading adventure sneak peek, where we're actually showing folks for the first time what reading adventure is. This is Kyoko. Hi, Kyoko. Kyoko's with the Osmo team. So we're getting folks a sneak peek access to reading adventure. So here we are, day 3, Byju's Connected Campus. We're excited.
Hello, darlings. My name is Melissa Kincaid. I am a learning technologies trainer with Cincinnati Public Schools, and I'm obsessed with Osmos. There is a lot of great vendors here, but I found Osmo booth, and now I'm obsessed. Now, usually I'm playing a math game with Osmo, but I didn't know that you could actually code and make music. So this is my happy place. Music, tech, elements of math. Check out my band. That's a live beat. That's me. All in code on Osmo. Check that out.
Alrighty, this is the end of day 3 at ISTE. We got Frosty, Nina, Junan, and myself, Danny. It's been a day. It's been a great day. We had